Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to look at a module that is a GUI, Graphic User Interface, and it is already built in for us. And tkinter. Alright, so let's just take a peek at it. Actually, let's run a help so we can look at it, and it's going to pull for a second, but this is one of these that is very handy, helps you build things, helps you interact with the user interface. Let's get all the way up here and let's look at the alright, what you're going to see is buttons, widgets. You're going to hear these terms, dialog, boxes, but alright. Allows you to display, position, label, text, all these type of things. But basically, it's to set things up because we've been working with our Py game, right? Well, we're going to need to really start grabbing some interaction from the user and these widgets and where am I really? You got the grid, but the widgets, like a scroll bar. That's a perfect example. But those type things that are handy for the end user, we need to have a way to have that, and we're going to start to embed this. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Radio button. So those are the buttons on the screen that you press, and they look pretty, and you can put text in them, and you can put them wherever you want to. This is that module that we're going to use. So real quick video today, just to enter, just to get you warmed up to it. And here's, I mean, it even has a nice little, and we get loop. We know what that is, and we're just slowly building because you guys are doing a really good job and asking some really awesome questions. So if this is your first video you're seeing, make sure you hit that subscribe button straight down, that cool little watermark, and the notification bell, because we have videos coming out all the time. And please leave any comments, questions, or my all-time favorite any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. You guys are absolutely awesome. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.